I'm not ready to throw in the towel and give up on you.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. In today's video, we're going to be recreating this look which I wore last Sunday for my Sunday faves and nays video. Hopefully I pretty much nailed the look. If you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. Per usual, I already primed my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer right to my T-zone where I have a ton of enlarged pores. Then I use the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Oil-Free Matte Poreless Finish Full Coverage Cream, which I did a whole review on. I'm gonna link it right up here in the card area. It also contains the SPF 40. Because my face looked super bare, I decided to just fill in my brows using the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, which has the product on one end and a brush on the other, and then I just carved it out. Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This one is in the shade Natural Beige, and we're going to use this as the base for our eyeshadow. Set it with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed, which is definitely one of my favorites. Bronze up my face with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Longwear Matte Bronzer. I think I'm pretty much already bronzed up. The shadows we're going to be using today are from the Profusion Siennas palette. You have some mattes, you have some shimmers, and I love the pigmentation on these. I think that they're really great shadows, very affordable. They're drugstore. I'm actually going to go in with Serendipity. Take some of this, tap off the excess, sweep this right into that crease area. Take the brush that came with this set. We're gonna dip into the shade called Oasis. This one is a matte, and we're gonna tap off the excess, and we're gonna work this like right into that crease area, right in that socket. Swish the brush on this little matte, which will kind of remove any of excess eyeshadow. Then we're going to pick up Rust color, and it is also a matte. We're going to use the same brush, build the color right into the crease area. You guys can see here Oasis is up here, and then Darling, we're trying to put it just a little bit lower. I'm going to be using this Carity E30 brush. It's a really gorgeous shade, which is also another matte. This one is called Madly. Work this again right into that socket area. So we're just really layering all these shadows. I'm going to use the Sigma Shader Lid E56 brush. I take a bit of concealer as the base for the purple lid, because I really want the purple to stand out. Create a lid space right on here. Normally if I have a mistake like this, see like how it kind of skipped, I'll normally just take my nail and just kind of run it through to kind of clean up the edges a bit. That's just what I do, but you know, and it works. It works to a certain extent, but if you go a little bit too high, then sometimes you kind of have to start over again. The Morphe M210 brush. Gorgeous purpley shadow down here, and this one is called Devoted. It's also a matte, and we're just going to pick up a ton of this shadow, like a ton of it, and we are just going to pack it all over the lid. Take a clean blending brush, and we're just going to blend the edges of this purple out. We don't want there to be any harsh edges. Shade up here called Darling, and I already cleaned off the brush. I'm just gonna work this like right in that socket area. Blend these edges. I'm gonna Pick up a little bit more of Serendipity, this really gorgeous mustard yellow. And I just want to work this like right back into that upper crease area, like right above that transition, because I want to pull through a bit, because since I did so much blending, I feel like the yellow got a tad bit lost in all of that. So now what you can either do is take a makeup remover and a Q-tip. I have one that's already pre-moistened on the sides. Clean up the shadows, because I want this to have a really crisp edge. Concealer right underneath my eyes to really help brighten it up. I'm just going to set the concealer with the Too Faced Peach Perfect translucent powder. I'm actually going to go in with the other side of the Profusion brush. Pick up a bit of Devoted Fearless. Sweep it right along my lower lash line. For the eyeliner, brand new product from the brand Mosquito, gel eyeliner in the shade Black. Tightline the eyes. I'm going to create a wing using the pencil. And just curl my lashes. Apply generous coats of the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara from the brand Wonder Beauty. These lashes from the brand Mosquito, these are part of their Unison line, and this one is called Peace and Love. Their lashes are cruelty free. I'm going to use my Ride or Die lash glue, which is the lash companion, also from Mosquito. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean blending brush, up a bit of this shadow right here. This one is called Fearless. Off the excess, and I want to bring this like right into that crease. Just blend that out a bit more. So I already applied the Profusion Cosmetics Contour Makeup Case, which is my favorite. I love using this to create that shadow, to really give me that chiseled, kind of defined. I'm just gonna blend this out just a little bit more. For the blush today, we're going to be using the Profusion. This is the Blush and Glow palette. A really gorgeous peachy one called Marvel. Highlight today, we're going to be using champagne color down here called Fizz. Hit this right onto the high points, the cheekbones. You guys can definitely see that highlight. We're also going to hit it right here on the collarbones. You guys know I love to do this. Then for the lips, we're going to be using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Sellout. I'm going to take some of this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask to the center, so it gives it a bit of shine. Sigma E36 blending brush and a bit of Fizz. The highlighting palette, the inner eye corners, to just kind of brighten up the eye a bit because it is pretty smoky. Final touch was spraying a bit of the Too Faced Hangover RX. So here is the completed look.
Sister tells me that you're moving on and never going back.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope it inspires you to recreate it. I think it is such a beautiful look for a date night. It has a bit of that smokiness. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure you guys smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.